Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. It's me, Bonnie the Bunny. Hi everybody. Hi. Now, you may be wondering, shouldn't Chica be cooking? Well, don't tell her, but I'm in her kitchen. She doesn't want anybody in the kitchen. But today is the brand new launch of my brand new cooking show, guys. So every week, I can make a recipe for you guys. Try out. And today I'll be making tuna. So this is technically episode 1. Episode 2 of my cooking show was next thing. But yeah, let's get started with my cooking show. Now, we have 2 tomatoes, whatever they're called. They're called tomatoes. Are they tomatoes or tomatoes? Alright. Oh yeah, by the way, we're going to be making a tuna salad. I said tuna. That's it. So, yeah, if you were wondering what kind, a tuna salad. Alright, so 2 tomatoes, 2 lemons, and then 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of these cans, tuna cans, so we can make tuna. Then, yeah, hold on. And then, now, this, mayonnaise right here. And then we have what they call tostadas or chips. And then what's going on here? Okay, and now the bowl. So, yeah, now the bowl. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, I forgot to say, we are going to be using some salt and pepper for this recipe as well. So, yeah, guys, make sure to have salt and pepper. Alright, guys, well, we're here now. Let me just... Alright, guys, now you just... You just gotta really scoop up this. You gotta scoop this up and put it in a nearby plate. Alright, guys, so I figured I couldn't do this without an assistant. So this is my assistant. You know her, Chica the Chicken. Oh, you're not gonna say anything?
Yes, I'm right here.
How are you scooping like that? You're just scooping with your mind?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright, well, You're my assistant now. Alright, what do I do next, Chica?
Get the lemon.
What lemon?
The lemon.
What
It's
lemon?
right there.
Which one?
This one.
This is lemon
Yeah.
juice?
Lemon juice.
Oh, I dropped it. I put it here?
Yeah.
You know those things that you spray? Alright, here you go, guys. Okay, here's lemon juice. You gotta show everybody. Alright, now.
All the lemon juice. Okay.
Now what's next, Chica?
Now the mayonnaise next.
Mayonnaise? Is this the mayonnaise? All of it? Just
Yes,
in one
all of it.
spot?
You have to mix all the ingredients.
Oh,
Okay, there.
there's still some left. I guess.
Now you put the salt.
I just put it all?
Yeah. All the salt. Yeah. Yeah. Now the pepper. Now you mix it. You mix everything together.
Well, you heard it from Chica herself, guys. You gotta mix it now. Now get an adult to help you if you're a kid. You need an adult to help you. If you're an adult. Good job for you. Right, guys, I just got done mixing. Alright, Chica, now we're gonna put in the tomatoes. Hold on, guys. That's the tomatoes. Oh. Oh, dang. Okay, now we mix. Chica, why aren't you saying anything? Why are you just showing me hand signals to...
Oh my goodness.
Oh! Oh!
Okay.
Oh! I'm gonna go wash my hands.
So here we are. Now the tuna salad is already finished. It's ready.
Alright, guys, I mixed it and everything. If you couldn't see what happened, I was mixing this, and then I accidentally dropped some over here, so it fell off the table. So now we had to throw that away. But it's pretty good, guys. It's all fine. Now that you have done that, what's next, Chica?
Wait, we're gonna put it right in here.
Okay, put it in a bowl. Guys, you gotta put it in a bowl. Then you're gonna have to have something like this. What? You're gonna end up with something like this. Oh yeah, we need chips. You know, remember those chips from earlier, you guys? You get to use that.
It's ready.
Yeah, and then you finish. Now you could enjoy a nice, good meal. Alright, guys. Not bad.
Tastes good.
Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell. And even leave a comment. Thanks for watching Bonnie's Cooking Show. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.